Hello children, once again I am welcoming all of you in this class. Today we will do the Tiny Teacher from an Alien Handbook Class 7 CBSE. Tiny means small. In this chapter we are going to study about ants, the smallest and the commonest insect. The ant, being a smallest insect, is an intelligent and hardworking creature. As it is the commonest insect, we know a number of facts about it. The ant has feelers, which is also called antennae. It uses them to talk and greet other ants while moving up or down the wall. The black or red ones are the commonest among them. They live in their comfortable homes, generally called nests or anthills, just below the surface of the soil. Each anthill has hundreds of little rooms and passages. The queen ant lays eggs in some of these rooms. Other rooms are nurseries, stores, reserved quarters and separate barracks, etc. Ants of each category carry their duty sincerely without disturbing the other. This is the reason why the ant enjoys a peaceful life. The queen ant is the mother of entire population of the colony. Its lifespan is about 15 years. After wedding flight with a male ant that is drawn on a hot summer day, it comes back to the earth without wings to lay eggs. In a few days, grubs comes out of the eggs. Soldier ants guard them while worker ants feed them and help them in growing up. After 2 or 3 weeks, grubs become cocoons, which then break and perfect ants appear. New ants are taught and trained by old ants. After a few weeks training, the small ants become ready to work. An anthill is also the home of other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the greenfly. The ant gives them shelter because they get sweet juices and pleasant smell from them. The greenfly is the ant's cow. The ant give training to them to give honeydew with a touch of their antennae. Man can learn hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones from it. So, children, this is the summary of the lesson, the Tiny Teacher. So, children, this is the summary of the lesson, the Tiny Teacher. This chapter is all about ants, the smallest insects. Friends, the moral of this lesson is we should learn many qualities from this wisest creature: hard work, sense of duty and discipline, loyalty towards their country. This is a very inspiring and interesting chapter. Now, let's look at the important question answers in this chapter. So, now let us see some important questions and answers in this chapter. First question: how long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? Answer: it takes 5 to 6 weeks for a grub to become the complete ant. Second question: why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? Answer: worker ants carry the grubs about for daily exercise and sunshine. The next question: what different jobs are learnt by new ants? The new ants learn the duties of workers, cleaners, soldiers and builders from old ants. Next question: name some other creatures that live in anthills. Answer: the greenfly, beetles, lesser breeds of ants, etc. These are the some of the creatures who live in anthills. Next question: mention 3 things we can learn from the Tiny Teacher. Answer: we can learn hard work, sense of duty and loyalty from this Tiny Teacher. Hard work makes the life of an ant so organized and disciplined. If we want to lead a proper life, we must not shy away from working hard. Sense of duty is very important because if everyone does his or her work sincerely, there will be no chaos. The most important is loyalty to the land whereon lives. We must be always loyal to our people and our country. Move on to the next and last question in this chapter. How is the home of ants organized? Here is the answer. An anthill has hundreds of little rooms and passages. Rooms are reserved for each member of the community. Rooms for the queen ant to lay eggs, nurseries for the young ones, quarters for workers, storehouses for food and barracks for soldiers. So, In today's class, we are studied about the tiny teacher from the class 7 English. It's a small and easy chapter. I hope all of you understood this lesson. So, in next class, I will meet you with another important chapter. Bye.